Question 23. 40 riders' fuel is recorded, and each litre costs 160 shillings. Part A. Tally the data into classes of width 0.5, starting at 1.5. The frequencies come out as 7, 8, 11, 7, 4, and 3, adding to 40. We also list each class midpoint x, the product fx, and the cumulative frequency. Part B. 1. The mean. The sum of fx is 109 over 40 riders, giving a mean of 2.725 litres. Times 160 shillings a litre, that's 436 shillings. Part B. 2. The median. With 40 riders, the median is at the 20th value. The cumulative frequency reaches 15 after the second class and 26 after the third, so the median lies in the class 2.5 to 2.9. Using the median formula, lower boundary 2.45 plus 20 minus 15 over 11 times the width 0.5 gives 2.677 litres. In money, about 428 shillings. Well done. That's question 23 complete.